is a patient who's going to be having Sculptra to the buttock. She's already had some sessions with Sculptra and actually a little bit of Voluma to bring the projection out. And now we want to get a little bit more on the lateral part of her buttock, or the side of the buttock, and that will help the skin quality as well. So you see me circling some of the area where we want to get a little bit more volume, and that's what Sculptra does. It adds a little bit more volume and smooths out the skin and gives more projection. We've done the upper buttock, the lower buttock, and now we're going to extend it just a little bit more, and the cellulite has gotten better. She used to have a lot of wrinkles in her bottom, and it's a nice rounded volume. We've gotten more projection of the bottom, but now she wants a little bit more on the side. These are little numbing dots I'm making, so that's not the Sculptra yet, but that barely hurts. Now this is the Sculptra. The patient is not feeling this at all. And what I'm doing is putting in careful rows of the diluted polyallactic acid particles. The little particles in this fluid stimulate your own collagen, so what you get is a thickening of your own collagen, and this is why it's such a natural result. Here you see, after I do some lying down, I stand the patient up so we can really get a good look at what we're trying to accomplish. And again, she's not feeling this at all because of the little numbing dots you see there. So don't be afraid to get this. You see a little skin irregularity over to the right, and we'll be working on that next time. But look at the difference in her lower buttock and the projection of her buttock. It's more rounded and smooth. So this is the type of result we can get.